How do avocados support weight loss? Avocados, often called nature's butter, are more than just a delicious fruit. They are rich in nutrients that can help you lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. But what is it about this creamy green superfood that makes it a favorite among weight loss enthusiasts? Let's look at the science and benefits behind avocados and discover why they deserve a spot in your diet. How avocados support weight loss. 1. High in healthy fats, not calories. At first glance, avocados might seem like the enemy of weight loss because they're rich in fats. However, the type of fat they contain is the key. Avocados are a source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is known to help curb hunger and reduce unhealthy cravings. Unlike saturated fats found in processed foods, these healthy fats provide long-lasting energy without piling on empty calories. 2. Keeps you feeling full longer. One of the biggest challenges in weight loss is controlling your appetite. Avocados are high in both fiber and healthy fats, a combination that slows digestion and keeps you feeling full for hours. A single avocado contains around 10 grams of dietary fiber, which supports gut health and reduces the temptation to snack between meals. By helping you feel satisfied, avocados naturally reduce your calorie intake without you even noticing. 3. Regulates blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar levels spike and crash, it often leads to sudden hunger pangs and overeating. Avocados have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause sharp spikes in blood sugar. Adding avocados to meals can stabilize your energy levels throughout the day, helping you avoid those energy dips that make you reach for sugary or high-calorie snacks. 4. Boosts metabolism. Avocados contain essential nutrients like B vitamins and magnesium, which play a critical role in your metabolism. Magnesium, in particular, supports over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those related to fat burning and energy production. The monounsaturated fats in avocados also promote the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, further enhancing your body's ability to function efficiently and burn calories. 5. Replaces high-calorie ingredients. One of the easiest ways avocados support weight loss is by providing a healthy substitute for high-calorie spreads, dips, and ingredients. Instead of mayonnaise, try avocado on your sandwich. Replace sour cream with mashed avocado in your favorite dips or dressings. These swaps can significantly cut down on your calorie intake without compromising flavor. 6. Rich in nutrients for overall health. When you're losing weight, focusing on more than just the scale is crucial. Avocados are nutrient-dense, providing vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to stay healthy during your weight loss journey. Potassium, for example, helps balance fluids and reduces bloating, while lutein supports eye health. Avocados make weight loss more manageable and enjoyable by keeping your body nourished. 7. Easy to add to any meal. Another reason avocados are excellent for weight loss is their versatility. Whether you blend them into a smoothie, slice them over a salad, or mash them into guacamole, avocados can be included in almost any meal. This flexibility ensures you never get bored while sticking to a healthy diet. Avocados are excellent food for weight loss, combining healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients to support your body's needs. By keeping you full, boosting your metabolism, and stabilizing blood sugar, they make it easier to stay on track with your goals. So, the next time you plan your meals, don't hesitate to add a little avocado. It's a small change that can lead to significant health results. Check out the next video for more health tips. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.